Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. We're doing a quick video for you on how to remove your Gearbox Undertray for the Audi Q7. Let's get it done. So your first stage, if you have a look underneath, just here you've got your Engine Undertray here and the Gearbox Undertray here, and you've got these four little bolts. These are size 10 and they kind of join the two together, so we want to get rid of these four first of all. Next, if you go to the end of the undertray, you've got two more of these same types of little bolts here, so let's drop both of those out of the way. And you'll notice as you remove the second one, there's like a little plate on the top here. And what this plate does, it actually sits, it's got like a little plastic tab up in here, you can see just there, and this sits on top and actually clamps it downwards, so that needs to be got out of the way, and once you've got your screws, and it should be free moving like that. So next up, right in the middle here, we've got two more of the same type of bolts, so get those removed. And just be sure to support it when that second bolt comes down, because once this second bolt's removed from the centre here, it will be ready to be removed. So now you should just be able to lift it up, manipulate it, and that is the Gearbox Undertray completely removed. And for those interested, this is the official part number for this Undertray. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope this video has been useful for you. If it has, please do us a little favour, hit that like button before you leave us, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have hundreds more Audi videos waiting for you to check out. Thanks for watching. We will see you again.